Hi, let's today talk about a problem which many students feel as part of their preparation. That is lack of discipline and lack of clarity, and sometimes they feel lost. That's largely because the goal they are chasing, there is hardly any visibility of that. And also, you have multiplicity of advices coming your way that do it this way, do it that way, and you end up being confused because you want to take all the advices because stakes are bigger, you want to clear this examination. Today, in this backdrop, I would like to tell you as to how to go on making an effective timetable and, most importantly, do an appraisal charting for yourself. In fact, you most often, while you are emotionally involved with your goal, you want to clear the examination with high grade, you get emotionally oriented tasks picked up on a daily basis. And it is guided by mood, and mood itself guided by so many other things. And that is where the complexity increases. I would like you to make an objective reference of what you're supposed to be doing, allocate hours for them, and go on tick boxing on a daily basis. Don't think I would like to tell you that you lead your life like that. But when you are in a mission mode, when you want to clear this examination, at that stage, I would like you to go for tick boxing. In fact, to put it simple, I would ask you to divide the whole thing into 3 parts. Every day you should have some time, some hours allocated for new things. Every day you should have some hours allocated for revision. And every single day you should have some hours allocated for skilling. These are extremely vital components. Skilling, revision quite often get ignored because in the greed of reading new things, you tend to forget that why you are reading. You're reading it to use in the examination, and unless you have trained your mind to retrieve them, unless you have gone on doing this writing practice and done those questions, your mind is not in a position to really produce at the time when it is really needed. So it is very important that you allocate time, and new things also has to have times allocated. You break the task in terms of hours and then hours allocated to every task, like that many hours of revision, that many hours of skilling, that many hours of new reading, and audit them on a regular basis. It is quite possible you will be required to amend them, change them, but you will only amend and change them when you have objectively seen your own productivity pattern. To be able to know your own productivity pattern, it is very important that you make a timetable and make an appraisal chart where you go on ticking and then keep looking at them and then see what is my productivity pattern, which way I am doing it better. But I like you to caution one thing here. Please be very disciplined. Since you made your plan, you don't have the right to change it once you have committed. You have to stick to this to the extent possible. Also, another thing which I would like to add here, keep some time planned for unplanned things because you can't really predict every single day. And then you would be in a position to have more control of your own time, and you at a given day would know as to how far you're closer to your goal. This may sound a little mechanical, but I insist it is important. I'd like you to follow that. My best wishes are with you.